Hello, today we will guide you through how to check if Suitcase fits under a seat in Ryanair. In this walkthrough, we'll use Ryanair's own information so you can be confident your bag will meet the airline's current rules. Start by opening your web browser and going straight to the official Ryanair website at ryanair.com. If a cookie or region prompt appears, confirm your country and language so you see the correct help content for your location. Make sure you're on the genuine site before proceeding. Once the home page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The footer is where Ryanair keeps quick links to policies and support, including the details you need about baggage sizes and what counts as an underseat item. On mobile, swipe to the very end. On desktop, use the page scroll bar to reach the footer. In the footer, select Help Center. This opens Ryanair's support area, which is a searchable knowledge base covering bookings, check-in, and baggage. Give the page a moment to load fully. Next, choose Bag Rules. This section gathers everything related to baggage allowances, including cabin bags, underseat personal items, checked bags, and special items. It's the official source the airline updates when policies change, so it's the best place to verify current dimensions. Within Bag Rules, look for the articles that describe the free underseat personal item and cabin baggage. The underseat item is the one you're checking here. Ryanair typically lists the maximum dimensions for the personal bag that must fit under the seat in front of you. As a general reference, the underseat allowance is often around 40, 20, 25 centimeters, but always rely on the exact numbers shown on the page you're viewing, since airlines can update policies. To confirm your suitcase will fit, measure its height, width, and depth, including wheels, handles, and any external pockets. Compare those measurements to the dimensions shown in Bag Rules. Soft-sided bags can compress slightly, but hard cases usually cannot, so be conservative if your bag is close to the limit. Pack with depth in mind. Overstuffing can push a compliant bag beyond the allowed size. If your suitcase is larger than the underseat allowance, review the same Bag Rules section for options. Ryanair typically offers paid choices that allow a larger cabin bag in the overhead bin, subject to size and weight limits listed there. Use those official details to decide what works best for your trip. That's it. By navigating to the Help Center and opening Bag Rules, you can verify the current underseat dimensions and confidently check whether your suitcase will fit before you fly.